First, get your oven nice and hot. Welcome to Sweet Dreams Bake Shop. Today, we are going to make chocolate chip banana bread. Time to peel the banana. It's a little bit messy. Now let's mash. Mash, mash, mash. This is really fun.
Two tablespoons of sugar.
There we go.
Okay, and then you need to add your butter in.
Butter, where is it? Here? Okay. Here we go. Avery doesn't use butter. She's so silly.
Now, you need to separate your egg.
Okay, mash, 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 mash. Mash, mash. Mash the butter.
Okay, now you need to add 1/4 cup of flour.
Where is it? Here? Okay, this. Okay. This.
Okay, and then you need 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda.
No, swipe. Swipe into here. Okay, backwards.
Use the flat side, honey, of the knife. Good job.
Oops.
It's okay.
You can just pour it. That means it's already swiped. You'll clean this up. Okay, put this down. Now what do we do next?
Now you need 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon.
This? Can you open it?
You can do it.
Yep. Oh, it's in this bucket bag. I forgot. Ooh, it looks so good already. Can I eat one banana bread? Thank you. Avery's older, so she doesn't ask her mom and dad to say if she can have the banana bread when she's 6. She can have whatever she wants.
Okay, time to add the chocolate chips.
Oh, now do you mix it again? Okay, I'm gonna mix this. The scooping part was tricky. Time to sprinkle the banana sugar. So sugary. We're going to put a little bit of walnuts. Here. Oven time. Always get your mommy and daddy to help you. Alexa, set a timer for 13 minutes. Time to eat. These are so delicious. Even my little brother likes them. Try those at home. Ari Attempts every Saturday.
Say, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Okay, so like, comment, subscribe.